In this video, I'm going to solve the question number 5 from exercise 4.2. So here the question is, illustrate, if possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. That means here we have 3 statements. For each one of these statement, we need to draw a diagram and we need to satisfy the statement. So let us take up one by one. So the very first statement is our A part, a closed curve that is not a polygon. So we need to draw a diagram for a closed curve, but that should not be a polygon. So let us see how to draw a diagram now. So closed curve. So we have already studied about curve. Curve means what? Curve is any diagram that will have turns. Okay, so let us see how to draw a diagram for a closed curve. So I'm going to draw a curve now. Look at here. Here we have a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn, and it is completely closed. So this is your closed curve. So curve means what? Curve is any diagram that will have turns. Look at here. Here we have a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn. That means it is a curve and also it is a closed curve. That means it is not opened anywhere, right? It is a closed curve. Let me draw another diagram for a closed curve now. I will draw another diagram. Look at here. There is a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn, and it is completely closed. This is also a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. This is also a closed curve. Look at our statement. It is a closed curve, but that should not be a polygon. It is a closed curve. This is not a polygon. Yes, this is not a polygon. Correct. But this one is closed curve, but this is a polygon. That means we cannot use this diagram. Why? Because look at here. It is a closed curve, but it is a polygon. Polygon means what? Polygon is completely made up of line segments. Look at here. Line segments means this is one line segment, this is another line segment, this is another line segment, this is another line segment. Here we have used 4 line segments to draw a curve. That means it is a closed curve, but it is a polygon. But look at here. This is also a closed curve, but it is not a polygon. That means polygon is completely made up of line segments. But look at here. Here we have not used any line segments to draw a closed curve. So this is the answer for the first statement. It is a closed curve, but this is not a polygon. But look at this. It is also a closed curve, but this is a polygon. Polygon means it is made up of line segments. So here we have not used any line segments. This is not a polygon. It is a closed curve, but this is not a polygon. Clear? So this is your A part. So now we will move on to the next one, that is our B part. So in our B part, an open curve made up of entirely of line segments. That means we have to draw a diagram for a open curve. We should draw a open curve, and also that curve should be made up of line segments only. That means look at here. I will draw a open curve now. This is one line segment, another line segment, another line segment, another line segment. So this is your open curve, and also it is made up of line segments. Curve means what? Curve means any diagram that will have turns. Look at here. Here we have a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn, again there is a turn. Open curve, and also made up of entirely of line segments. So here we have used only the line segments. Look at here. What are line segments? This is one line segment, this is another line segment, this is another line segment, this one is another line segment. That means we have drawn a open curve using line segments only. Clear? So this is your open curve, and also it is made up of line segments. Clear? So we'll move on to the next one, that is our C part. So the next one is a polygon with 2 sides. Polygon means what? Polygon is any diagram that is made up of line segments. Correct? Line segments means like this. This is one line segment, and this is another line segments. So in our statement, it is given a polygon with two sides. So this is one side, this is another side. Is it polygon? No. Polygon means that should be completely closed. Polygon should be completely closed. That means using only two sides, we cannot draw a polygon. Using two sides, you cannot draw a polygon. You need another side. Minimum you need three sides. Look at here. If I draw like this, now this will become your polygon. But in our statement, polygon with two sides, it is not possible because it is not closed. Polygon should be always closed. That means we cannot draw polygon with two sides. Is it clear? So this is your question number 5 from exercise 4.2.